Welcome, my dear students of class 9A and 9B to my history and civics class. The lesson as I started teaching the Second World War. Today I shall teach you the following points. As per these points I shall highlight some aspects, some new political causes, why were this much things happened and who got themselves benefited out of it. Now I am going to discuss. The first point, influence of Japan. Japan from Asian country showed the pathway of taking revenge for the first time. It was due to the revengeful attitude of Japan. The two countries of Europe, France and England, adopted the policy of appeasement. This policy of appeasement was adopted by two leading countries of Europe, France and Britain. Why? Because of the aggressive attitude of Germany, aggressive attitude of Italy and aggressive attitude of Japan. Initially, the two countries of Europe, Italy and Germany, were determined to take revenge of the revengeful Treaty of Versailles which they were forced to sign, especially Germany. And under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, Italy expected to be benefited, but she was not benefited under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. That's why Italy decided not to join the Allied powers, but to form the Axis power. At the same time, Germany got a new leader. German people realized that under the leadership of Hitler, Germany would regain her former prestige and glory, which once gone to the west, just like the sun set to the west. The sun sets to the west. Under the leadership of Mussolini, Italy started dreaming that their country, under the leadership of Mussolini, would gain back her former prestige and glory, and Italian economy also became more and more powerful. All the problems which were there in Italy, these were solved by Mussolini. The problems, the economic crisis of Germany also was solved by Hitler. Hitler made a very powerful army. He motivated the army of Germany to take revenge against the Allied powers for forcing them to sign the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Due to the harsh and insulting Treaty of Versailles, Germany, under the leadership of Hitler, paved the way of starting a new war, the Second World War. Japan started occupying the properties of England and America in China. England and America made huge properties in China. But Japan, as you know, already I have taught you earlier, decided to influence over Far East. Japan decided to extend her territories throughout Far East in order to show her power to the Allied powers. And as soon as Japan realized that the policy of appeasement, whatever adopted by France and England, her ambition, her attitude to occupy more and more territories increased, and hence Japan joined the Berlin Rome axis and formed Berlin Rome Tokyo axis and left the League because he realized that being a member of the League he could not achieve success. He could not make many colonies like England, France and America. That's why he left the League. So these are the influence of Japan and reason of framing policy of appeasement. Next point, League's inability. The League was established in order to stop the horrors of another world war because the First World War destroyed the lives of millions of people, killed lives of millions of people and destroyed huge properties of the world. As a result of it, the Allied powers blamed Germany to be responsible for the First World War and forced them to sign the Treaty of Versailles. As soon as Germany was defeated in the First World War, the Allied powers blamed Germany to be responsible for it and demanded huge war indemnity. So, under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, Germany was forced to surrender her territories, her collieries, and all the important places where huge number of factories and industries were there. The Allied powers started utilizing it. That's why the League of Nations was established to establish international relationship, cordial relationship, brotherhood among the nation states and other countries of Asia, Europe and Africa, but League failed. Why? Because of non-cooperation of America. America did not take the membership of the League. When League was established, America neglected it, and other members countries of the League, they also non-cooperated with the League. Naturally, Japan ignored the League, and everyone started taking decisions alone without caring the existence of the League. So, the League of Nations was of no use. Now, Hitler's invasion of Poland, under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, my dear students, Germany was divided into two halves, two parts, East Germany and West Germany. Besides, German economy was destroyed. It was weakened, and hence Hitler recovered the Hitler recovered the economic drawback. Hitler strengthened the economic stability of the country, and then Hitler made a powerful army to take revenge, to declare war against her enemies. Ultimately, what happened? Hitler wanted to gain back her former territories, the territories which were given under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles to Poland, in order to give her a trade route through sea. Germany demanded it, and Danzig was a port where huge number of German people lived. It was under the hands of the Poland. Poland captured Danzig port under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles and humiliated German people. On hearing the news of humiliation, Hitler took an oath that he would teach Poland a good lesson. He warned Poland to get back her lost territories. But Poland did not respond to the call of Hitler. As soon as Hitler declared that he was going to declare war on Poland, two leading countries of Europe, France and England, gave an ultimatum to Hitler. As soon as the ultimatum reached Hitler, Hitler declared on France. And as soon as Hitler declared war on France, both the two countries, Britain and France, declared war on Germany together. And by this way, the Second World War started, my dear students. But the time when Hitler declared war on France and England declared war on Germany, England and France declared war on Germany, other countries of Europe did not get them involved in it. America followed a policy of neutrality. She remained neutral, and other countries also remained neutral. They just were watching the activities of Germany, England and France. So, the war was restricted within these countries: Germany, Italy, England, France, Poland. But Hitler defeated Poland and also occupied other areas of Poland, gained back her former territories, which were forcefully taken away from Germany for Poland by the Allied powers. So it is nothing but the first part of the Second World War. German policy of aggression under the leadership of Hitler helped him to gain victory over Poland and some areas which were not under German control but under the control of the Allied powers. The two countries of Europe, England and France, kept on fighting against Germany and Germany also. But ultimately, the other countries did not take part in that war in order to avoid further world war, in order to avoid another world war, the Second World War. Up to this, my dear students, next day, the remaining part will be discussed, will be taught. Thank you.